Jymmang ke Cabinet Committee on Security ke balong kelke mentaga apply Tarik yang ajabsan kabla kri dom tinang badu kari Narendra Modi klasi mekara bagi Briew ke Pakistan ke badona India ke dibel mino Shwa ke Tarik Jymmang mentau ajabsan. Hakan di Jymmang ya raidu ban pensange ingate yak Indus Water Treaty ke Pakistan ke ba mulai kendai billion cubic meter sa Pakistan. India ka back no ru ya diplomat ke Pakistan dan New Delhi. Kumju ya ka atari waka checkpost la khang no Malaysia ya Briew ke Pakistan bagian dai pai Shwa ke Tarik na kate jaka. Ka India ka khang ru ya Briew na Pakistan ban se India ke baju penteri kam lembaga srat bisa assumption scheme. Briew na Pakistan ke baju dan India ke deban mi no hapo sapupra kenta. Kani ka rai kalong hadin ba abrengut kinong leka siap pahalkam kemudian Jammu Kashmir ke kolonial aka jing straight kri gile no aka apa tadi yang ajar pesan.
Briefing to the CCS, the cross-border linkages of the terrorist attack were brought out. It was noted that this attack came in the wake of the successful holding of the elections in the Union Territory and its steady progress towards economic growth and development. Recognizing the seriousness of this terrorist attack, the CCS decided upon the following measures. 1. The Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect until Pakistan credibly and irrevocably abjures its support for cross-border terrorism. 2. The integrated checkpost Atari will be closed with immediate effect. Those who have crossed over with valid endorsements may return through that route before 1 May 2025. 3. Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under the SARC visa exemption scheme visas. Any SVES visas issued in the past to Pakistani nationals are deemed cancelled. Any Pakistani national currently in India under SVES visa has 48 hours to leave India. 4. The Defence, Military, Naval and Air Advisors in the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi are declared persona non grata. They have a week to leave India. India will be withdrawing its own Defence, Navy and Air Advisors from the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. These posts in the respective High Commissions are deemed annulled. 5 support staff of the service advisors will also be withdrawn from both High Commissions. 5. The overall strength of the High Commissions will be brought down to 30 from the present 55 through further reductions to be effected by 1st May 2025. The CCS reviewed the overall security situation and directed all forces to maintain high vigil. It resolved that the perpetrators of this attack will be brought to justice and their sponsors held to account. As with the recent extradition of Tahawur Rana, India will be unrelenting in the pursuit of those who have committed acts of terror or conspired to make them possible. Thank you very much.